This is VIVO Y21S, and today I will show how you can share the Wi-Fi network on this device. So first order of business is to launch settings. Then you gotta enter the network and internet category, onwards go for the Wi-Fi, make sure that your device is currently connected to whatever Wi-Fi network you would like to share, then tap on it. At the network details page, go for the share option, and the following share Wi-Fi section not only provides you with the actual Wi-Fi password, here it is, but also gives you the QR code that you can further scan with any other device and get it automatically connected to, well, chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.